This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Karen Sandler. Spacious 3/4 bedroom pool home with both water and golf course views. The open floor plan is perfect for entertaining. The granite and stainless steel kitchen has lots of counter space for the gourmet cook. The sink has a window overlooking the golf course and waterway. The master suite has a large bath and the walk-in closet has a California closet design. Attached to the master suite is a separate room for sitting/exercise or office/den with French doors leading to the pool and deck. The home has a split floor plan. The second and third bedrooms are large with an amazing amount of closet space. There is a wet bar in the living/dining area. The home has been freshly painted. For more information, review the details below.